welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech reviews and unboxings. Today, we're diving deep into the Huawei Nova 13 Pro, the flagship smartphone that's packed with powerful features and sleek design. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a performance seeker, or someone looking for a phone that stands out in terms of aesthetics, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro is a device that promises to check all the right boxes. In this video, we'll be covering everything from its design and display to performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and more. If you're excited about the latest in smartphone technology, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our in-depth reviews. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find the Huawei Nova 13 Pro, a clear case to keep it protected, a 100-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, and a data cable. These essentials ensure you're ready to go, and it's great to see Huawei continuing to include fast chargers for that quick power-up. When we first held the Nova 13 Pro, the design was a standout. The premium glass back with its unique check wrinkle texture immediately caught our attention. This matte finish not only adds elegance, but also reduces fingerprints significantly. The light and shadow effects created by this design are truly mesmerizing and give the phone a sophisticated edge. Moving on to the design details, the check wrinkle texture is inspired by high-end fashion, resembling luxury materials, which enhances both aesthetics and grip. The 5D glass material around the camera module, coupled with the iconic Superstar ring, makes the phone a visual treat. The dual LED flash ensures even lighting in low-light photography, while the matte back ensures a pristine look at all times. The display is another highlight. The Huawei Nova 13 Pro features a 6.7-inch OLED screen with curved edges on all four sides, delivering an immersive viewing experience. With a 3200 by 1440 resolution, vibrant colors, and deep blacks, this display excels in media consumption and gaming. The curved edges not only look elegant, but also enhance usability, making this screen one of the best in its category. The camera setup on the Nova 13 Pro is just as impressive. The 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens on the rear offer versatility for all kinds of photography. The dual front camera, with a 60-megapixel ultra-wide lens and 8-megapixel telephoto lens, ensures stunning selfies and group shots. Huawei's AI enhancements elevate image quality, ensuring excellent performance across lighting conditions. Battery life is crucial, and the Nova 13 Pro doesn't disappoint. Its 5,000 mAh battery offers all-day use, and the 100-watt fast charging gets you from 0% to 100% in under 30 minutes. Reverse wireless charging adds an extra layer of convenience, making this a well-rounded package for power users. Under the hood, the Nova 13 Pro is powered by the Kirin 9000 series chipset, paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Performance is smooth across multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps. The high refresh rate display further enhances gaming, delivering a fluid and immersive experience. Running on MUI 13, the phone offers a clean and user-friendly interface with features like AI optimizations, a built-in screen recorder, and robust security options like facial recognition and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Unique to Huawei, the two-way satellite communication ensures connectivity even in remote areas, making this a standout feature for adventurers. At an expected price of 699 CNY, 44,000, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro sits in the mid-range to premium category. Considering its standout design, excellent cameras, powerful performance, and fast charging capabilities, it offers incredible value. In summary, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro is a fantastic blend of style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or need a reliable device for everyday use, this phone checks all the right boxes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, unboxings, and the latest tech updates. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the Huawei Nova 13 Pro? Would it be your next smartphone?